Hello, I'm the Budget Modeler and welcome to episode 7 of my kit bash build of the Bandai ATST and Revell's VW Samba. If you're watching this, then please subscribe to my channel, give the video a like and ring my bell. That'd be brilliant. Thank you. Firstly, a happy and prosperous new year to you all. I hope you had a good one. Secondly, many apologies for my tardiness. It's one of those things where I'm just not feeling it mentally. I'm sure we've all suffered from this occasionally. I really just need to get this off my bench because I've got some quite large projects to come. Anywho, to start this episode, we're going to be just airbrushing the back end of the cab grey. So let's crank up the speedy uppy thing and crack on. Going, gone! Oh, luckily it was a small jump. Nothing broke, thank God. Anyway, let's carry on. And there we have that part finished. Now to do some detail painting on the back of the cab. I'm using Tamiya XF85 rubber black. So let's get this done, shall we? There we have those details painted. We also did some touch up of the grey. I can't remember which one I used. Sorry. Next, for some cleanup, I'm using a fresh, clean 1000 grit piece of sanding sponge to just smooth out some of the wrinkles in the white. So here we go with that. There we have the white cleaned up. Now for touching up the candy blue, so let's get that sorted, shall we? There we have the candy blue all sorted out. Still looking good. Do like that colour. Anyway, now we're going to be doing all the chrome work. I'm using Molotov's liquid chrome pens. These are pretty good, but they need an age to set and dry. So let's crack on and get these done. There we have the chrome bits done. Now for a bit of clean up where I overdid the chrome. I'm using Mr. Surfacer 1500 white for this, as I found this gives me the best coverage for white. So let's get it cracked, shall we? There we have the white all touched up. We also sorted out some of the chrome touch-ups as well. Next for the seats in the back, which we're painting beige, and also the cabling on the back. So let's get those cracked, shall we? There we have the seats and the cabling sorted out, looking pretty good. Now a quick dry brush on the door panels, so let's get those sorted. There we have the dry brushing done. It really does bring out the details, doesn't it? Anywho, this seems like a good place as any to end. Again, my apologies for not posting more, just needed to get rid of this funk, which hopefully I have. Also, thank you for watching episode 7 of my kit bash build. If you want to see what happens in episode 8, then please subscribe to my channel, help it grow, like the video, leave a comment and ring my bell. Remember folks, stay safe, keep on modelling.